possible. So the application moves towards the other department. I don't know, I have given the mediation now, for example, WRD, sewage thing. I have brought out to the notice of the application immediately. But these people are not doing.
It is available in last later to 97 words.
Because he's gone all out, launching police complaints and also registered a complaint with the ST Commissioner with allegations that he's being suppressed and subdued for no reason at all. So my member said he just spoke. In fact, we are at the receiving end for reasons best known or unknown. So, sir, I would like to,
see, as far as biodiversity management.
On the road and they are multiplying and causing great inconvenience to this motorcyclists especially and the walking. So something needs to be done. We cannot.
Tell me what is your name?
My name is Sally. I'm speaking on behalf of some people who have that problem. And of course that's our problem also. It's our problem also. So I thought I should say that. The people, especially I think, in spite of telling, like I will attempt even in locally to tell people not to feed on the roads. Some government should come up with some guidelines that nobody should feed on the roads. That is creating the real problem. And then they say they are operating, they are left back and all. It's not true. Every 4 months you'll see new puppies come up on the road. So people should first stop feeding on. Survival of the fittest is there everywhere. So I believe we should educate our people, find them, or if they are caught, then they will be punished. Some restriction has to be there. Because they bring their hotel waste, they bring their chicken waste, and I have seen feeding on the roads late nights. It's happening in Dongori. So, yeah, so if something could be done, like even these people are caught, then they should be penalized. I strongly think. Because of them, the innocent people are harmed. So dog controlling has to be done by punishing those who are feeding on the roads. I told so many people, take the food, take the best to eat at your own house. Let them come to your house, not on the roads. I made efforts as a biodiversity member, I made efforts in our locality, but it doesn't help. I think government should come up and something.
So, Minister, तुमच्या पक्षाने विजिटीचा तुमचे समस्या तुमचे जे काही प्रश्न आहात ते तुमच्या आयकून घेवपाक आनी ते सॉल्व करपा खातीर येता. आमी पळयता की मिनिस्टर हो सोंपेपणी कोणाक मेळपाक खूब कठीण आसता जावं तेका मेळपाक अपॉयंटमेंट घेवची पडटा. पूण आमच्या सरकारान एक बरी कल्पना काडली की लोकांक मिनिस्टर अवेलेबल आसलो म्हणून आनी आमचो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर एवरी फ्रायडे लोकां खातीर कलेक्टर ऑफिसान बसता. लोकांचे प्रश्न कितें आसल्यार सुटावे करपा खातीर. हें दाखोवन दिता की आमचो सरकार बारीकच्या बारीक लोकांक सुद्दां आमचे मदीं आमचे नागरीचे फादरेली कडेन हाताची वेलकम करता. सो बारीकचो बारीक मनीस सुद्दां मंदिरात वचून आपले प्रश्न सांगपाक शकता. आनी जेन्ना बारीक मनीस जेन्ना सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आसता, हॅप्पी आसता, तेन्ना गांवचो विकास, गांवांत शांतीकाय, गांवांत एक बरें एक लोकांक आयकूंक मेळटा की बारीकले बारीक मनीस सुद्दां लोकांक कामां जाता, तेंचे प्रश्न सुटावे जाता, तांकां स्किमी मेळटा. जाल्यारूच आमी सरकार लोकां मदीं पावपाक शकता आनी लोकांची कामां करपाक शकता. ह्या खातीर आमच्या सरकारान एक बरो कॉन्सेप्ट हाडलो की मिनिस्टर डायरेक्ट पंचायतीन वचून लोकांक मेळपाचें. आयज तुमच्या कडेन आमचो लिस्ट दिला, तुमचे कितें पंचायतीचे कितें प्रश्न समस्या आहा ते तुमी तेंच्या कडेन मांडपाच्यो. त्याच प्रमाणे बाकीचे कोण आमचे नागरीक आहात तेंच्यांनी तुमचे कितें प्रश्न आहा ते मांडपाचे. कारण आमकां लोकांची कामां करपाक लोक निवडून दिता. आमी आमदार आनी ह्या मतदारसंघात जायते आमी कामां केली. हांगासले चडशे आमचे रस्ते हॉटमिक्स केल्या, थोडेशे रस्ते 80% तरी आमी रस्ते हॉटमिक्स केले कडेन आसा. आनी डेव्हलपमेंट हो प्रत्येकाच्या दारापर्यंत पावपाक जाय. कारण लोकांक लायट, उदक, रस्ते हे सदांच आमी दिवपाक प्रयत्न करपाक जाय कारण लोक आमकां निवडून दिता काम करपा खातीर त्या खातीर आमचे मंत्री सुद्दां लोकांच्या दारांनी वयता हें दाखोवन दिता की गोंयचो सरकार हो बारीकच्या बारीक लोकांक सुद्दां पावपाक जाय आनी तेची कामां जावपा खातीर हांव चड वेळ उलयत आसतना तुम्ही सगळ्यांचे तुम्ही हांगा उत्तम टायम काडलेला तुमचे तुमकां सगळ्यांचे हांव कॉंग्रेचुलेशन म्हणटा तुमकां आनी तुमचे जे कितें प्रश्न आले तुमी मंत्र्या
प्रॉब्लम आशिल्लो कितें इश्यू आशिल्लो लोकांचो
Dawarli problems are simple. First issue in Dawarli is illegal structures. और कंप्लेन एक पंचन है तो मुल्ला को किधर लोग ग्राउंड फ्लोर, फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सेकंड फ्लोर, थर्ड फ्लोर, फिफ्थ फ्लोर पासून बांधता हा इन्साल वेगळा असो एक बिल्डिंग काडपाक राती भितर जाता ना म्हणला I asked him what is his responsibility as a punch. I मुझे experience अपुरमणे पण I want support. मुझे experience अपुरमणे नाहीत पावटी पंच लोकांक सांगता अरे तुम बांध रे मागीर चोया म्हणून ते बांधून वयताय बांधून काडताय आनी मागीर हो पंच येता आनी सांगता इल्लीगल स्ट्रक्चर. My first request to him was take action. And I will support that action. I have assured him if he makes a proper order for demolition, I will ensure that police, PWD, whatever support is required, I will deliver to him. This was my first promise to all the punchers. It is very easy to make allegations, but I said you prove you are serious and I will support you. Next issue was regarding railway track, crossing of the railway track. People of Dawarli find it difficult and they want to fly over there. So I said I will convey the wish of the people to the Chief Minister. Babu Ullas Goenka has raised the issue in the Assembly. So I will add to his issue, support it, and we will take up the issue with the Chief Minister, who in turn would, I'm sure, take up with Podcast or wherever. Another issue was, I think 90% of Lavili constituency comes under a particular subdivision of the electricity fund. Just one village, if I'm not mistaken, it is Rumda Mall, comes under the Fatorda subdivision. So for every small thing, they have to go to Fatorda. I have assured them that I will take up with the Power Minister. He has raised the issue during the Assembly, I remember very well. He has raised this issue when demands of power to discuss. So I will raise it up with the Power Minister and try and ensure that this village is also transferred to the existing subdivision, removing it from Fatorda subdivision. And other problems, this is a lie. I am again repeating, this is a lie. Why do I say it is a lie? My office phoned him. He did not pick up the call. Thereafter, my office has sent him a WhatsApp message. And we have got 2 ticks. What is the meaning of the 2 ticks? That means my colleague, Mr. Benzi Diegas, has read the message. Ori asna to ena dala aikin korbachi. Korbachi ke I have some fine korbachi baba fali hoga. Not 2 ticks. I have not sent. My office has sent. For example, आज मुझे बराबर आमदार बोसुना ते काय मेसेज घायला तो आज आयलो तो हे ना जाल्यार बरं I am taking advantage of all of you all today. I am visiting Delhi constituency tomorrow. 10:30 in the morning I am at Chinchini Panchayat. 12 o'clock I am at Delhi Panchayat. Through your media I am requesting my friend Cruz Silva, MLA of Delhi constituency, to please come.
3 पॉइंट प्रोग्रामाची घर आसा पूण थंय पळयत जाल्यार व्हडली व्हडली बिल्डींग जाल्यो हे आनीक एक घर आसा ते 4 जाणां एक एकट्यान विकले कडेन आसा ही विकून जाता गव्हर्मेंटाची प्रॉपर्टी दिवं जायना पूण हे तितून जाले कडेन आसा पूण पंचायत न्हिदले कडेन आसा
इश्यू कितें इट बिकम व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट टू कीप ट्रॅक तुमचे कितें आसलें स्पेसिफीक एग्जाम्पल कितें आसलें दे विल इन्स्पेक्ट
ही गव्हर्मेंटा जमीन काबार गेली
गव्हर्मेंटा लागून
हाऊसिंग बोर्डा लागतली
एग्जाम्पल दितो आमगेले मतदारसंघा भितर नागोआ 20 पॉइंट प्रोग्राम आसा. पयर सरकारान इन्स्पेक्शन केलं कितें इल्लीगल बांदिल्लें तितलें सरकारान नोटीस धाडली. बट टेक एक्शन. बट माय रिक्वेस्ट इज गिव अस स्पेसिफिक example.